Schwabangin sedang ya ke kubor, ni kerpat ipi ginongpek, ban subscribe ya ke ni ke channel, ban klik ya notification bell, bapin yo ki kubor na ke jela.
Gom shibynta ka jingrakhe ya Mawmer ba arpusan Snem, lani ka Jubilee Rupa Jong ka Dorbar Shnong Mawkhar, ka Seng Samla Mawkhar, ryngkat ka jingïatreilang bat ka NRE Pageant India Private Limited, hynne ka sngi ka pynlong ya ka prokram, halor ka jingpynsngewthuh paidbah halor droks, bat kumno thaw pyllait lynti, ban pyllait kiba kyrni, uni jingdih, lyngba ka jingpyndonkam dawai kynbat, kiba sngi, halayeng la Snem. Ia katay ka program pynngewthuh paidbah, la pynlong ha ka community hall jong ka Mawkhar, bat ka Kong san ha ka ni ka sngi kaday ka Kong C.D Lyngwa, ka baday ka director ka tanat social welfare. Haba ay jingkren kum ka Kong san ha katay ka sngi, ka Kong C.D Lyngwa ka laong, kat kum ka jingwat benya da ka tanat ka koit ka kya, ka badang shulap shen, ka lalap ba ka jingyap kilong kmi kiba pun, bat kibala deb ban ka kun, ka kiyo ba namar ka jingbambiang ka bam ka di, bat ki dawai dashin, kibatay ya ka met ka pat jong ka.
Two teaspoons, that's equal to 1 tablespoon. Yeah, it's ajwain. Same, so another 2 teaspoons. 1 teaspoon passion fruit, 1 teaspoon of steel leaves, and half teaspoon of chili pepper, half teaspoon of chili pepper. Let it boil for till it becomes powder.
Households. She got not in here. Immediately the land. She got no pillars, but I knew from see, that's all after he must all give and then even they made the la, I knew under the bomb, the deep of young bomb, but the black me, so you can't expect to have Maggie and noodles and good food. Even region, but hopefully you have us when you never become enticed. That is why, under this mission, we are also talking about poverty reduction. It's a sustainable development goals, poverty reduction, because these are one of the causes for drug infection. They cannot have the dance or, internet or piano to play at home, so the kids get exposed. The kids are not I'll tell you, when I went to Garo Hills when we found out that study recently through my principal secretary, who also developed this paper along with our Honorable Chief Minister and with the support that is given by our Honorable Minister Paul, and together all of them develop on these concept paper, understanding that under sustainable development, our poverty is affecting our health, our poverty is affecting dropouts from school, our poverty is also affecting the hygiene. Our poverty is creating a lot of problems. But for us who understand, we can do intervention. No matter even if we touch 5 lives or 10 lives, we can make a difference. And so we found out that in the latest study that we found, and West Brazilians is affected the most, where we found that there's stunting and there's wasting. The nutrition ke jogi dalam, it's very painful. Naman ibang tong kaja, baca sam, most, the jar, even the dirt, it's very difficult. But then these are the nutrition that needs to build the body, the baby. And as per the study, kabangidang shulam na 3-4 weeks, ki maternal deaths are very high.
Dia akbeli pat bakini treatment and solution di dalam ni certain thing iba nakalian jongi it's one ra ya shimbun hak taki treatments and intervention kumno lokina banyarap ya kini kidrio idakkan ni kini kijai cengki berbuai nama buat nak dia jongi bidon kata kacing sokok bakala balada umum kriye ulas tampan mo dari umum kriye ulas tampan kyrni hakini kijai cengki berbuai imundur be kacing joko kalampur Jadi, kemudian kita kacing drok akbeli dengan kacing kucing berkat. Deng kalau kalau sebelum kita mat, dia kedua, ya mungkin ini kita perlu. Ibadah ini kita ibadah ini addiction problem related to drugs and to any substance abuse. Kinian kata kacing lynti bagi semua jingkermen. Dan regim ni bagi pilih. Kadon kata-kata, kadon kata lynti, banyarap ya mungkin kita perlu. Ibadon kita kata jingpynsngewthuh, hak bagi buat berkelah, dari berkelah dia dari nak kini kacing syate, dari nak kini kacing syabat, hak biar dia kini kacing pyndongkam, dia boleh drugs. Dia hak biar dia berkata kebenta, angin berisa densin in sabatai kamha, hak biar dia berkata, dari nak kalian cuma nasyukwa, bermanda akan kini kita ini di objectives, hak biar dia ketika awareness program ketika sini, kebenaran kong to create an awareness on drugs and its myths and misconception. Dia ketika ini kita tahu bagaimana makan buah macam kita buat, baginya kami semua dia kata drugs. Jadi kumno bagi beliau di sedapat ngok ini drugs. Dia kita kinjam methods bagi beliau jingpynsngewthuh, bagi beliau drugs. Bagi kita myths bagi kita misconception. Ini mana kita kacing shisha. About myths and misconception kami nama dan buat anak dia cumi beliau. Kami ini Seng Samla dan dasam kyrni dari dasam ngok kini kijai cingdih berbuat. Kita ni kata kacing semua ke bakla.